ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு டிஎன்பிசி அண்ட் ஷார்ட் அண்ட் ஆஸ்பயர். நாம் இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது இங்கிலீஷ் ஜூனியர் ஸ்பீட் February 2014. Get ready, start. Mr. Speaker Sir, I thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak on this occasion. So far as agriculture is concerned, it is not merely the problem of production that we have to tackle when we talk of the problem of production. We have to face the problem of distribution also. So I am not surprised that different options have been expressed in this house on this matter. If we look at the matter from an overall point of view, we find that the administrative machinery has not been able to implement what we planned. There is a tendency on the part of everyone to put the blame on others, with the result that we are not able to make much progress in the matter of food and agriculture. We know a good deal about agriculture and we have enough food in this country, but when it comes to distribution, a lot of it gets into the black market. In this connection, I would like to point out that even today there is no complaint of shortage, but there is complaint about price. So far as I am concerned, I would suggest that whatever money the government decide to spend on a particular scheme should be given to the representatives of the people, and they may decide how they will grow more food. If they waste it for some time, the people will themselves correct their representatives and they will make them work and succeed in achieving the targets. I want to emphasize that the time has come when we should decentralize the machinery of administration. Then I come to the questions of irrigation. So far as irrigation is concerned, I have only one suggestion to make. I have been doing this whenever I have an opportunity to speak. It is important that we should concentrate on minor irrigation. The best way of doing this is this. I would like to suggest that every poor farmer in an unirrigated area should be given a well. There may be major schemes and there may be irrigation project, but every farmer in an unirrigated area below 20 acres should be given a well immediately. If this is done, he will be able to produce more because the well will be utilized in the proper manner and we will be able to solve the problem of food shortage within a short time. Letter from Murali and Company, Mumbai, to the manager, Vijay, Cotton Mills, Chennai. Dear Sir, we have to inform you that we have sent you a telegram today cancelling our order. We are very sorry to have to cancel our order for 20 dozen handkerchiefs. In this connection, we wish to inform you that we are forced to do this as we find on examination of our stock report that we have sufficient stock of handkerchiefs at present. So far as our present order is concerned, we are sorry to say that it was as a result of an error on the part of our storekeeper. We regret very much the inconvenience that our mistake may cause you, but at the same time we assure you that we shall be pleased to place our order for handkerchiefs with you when our present stock is sold out. We hope that our trade relations will continue to be cordial. Yours faithfully. தேங்க்யூ. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள்.